Patreon is a great service for content creators, but is it your only option? Let's look at the pros and cons of their service. The pros: 1. Free to get started. 2. You only pay when you start to make money. 3. They have been around for a long time. Cons: 1. 8% and 12% fees on your earnings, depending on which plan you choose. 2. An additional 5% on merch. 3. Starting in August 2025, fees are going to go up for new accounts according to their website. There are other options like Vimeo and Uscreen to name a few. But your best option is to have your own subscription-based website because it gives you the most flexibility. You design your site however you want and have full control. And best of all, you keep all the money you make from your site. UnicastStreamTV.com offers website hosting that caters to content creators and is optimized for video streaming. If you are just getting started, Patreon is a no-brainer, but once you start to earn at least $2,500 a month in sales, that is when it's time to shop for other options. We have another video on how to shop for web hosting. It tells you what to look for and you decide what is the best option for you. I hope this video helps you. See you on the next one.